Hi everyone, my name is Virsha. Today is the 9th of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. Well, in more detail, we'll re-outline the support and resistance for the record. But before getting into the video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to make sure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with the mine. As such, this video is just an educational one. It is not meant to be a trading guide or anything. It's just meant to be a record of my predictions and the rationale behind them. So monthly charts, we see we've had a very, very indecisive market. I mean, April, we had actually a really good downwards movement, but then in one candle, pretty much all of it got spiked up. Actually, did all get spiked up by one candle. And then here, month of May, another doji spinning top candle. And then although it hasn't, June has just started, but there's really no movement in the first week. And that's why we see ADX consistently declining. And now we are in confirmation that this is definitely a sideways market. Volume as well declining. I mean, it's a sideways market with no real directional view as to where it's going. Similarly, in weekly charts, we had, you can see here, this huge gap down, but then it got all negated by one gap up. And then we were met with the current next 6 weeks have all been sideways. I mean, this week as well as a doji candle. The previous 2 weeks were all doji candles. And we are still not broken out of this harami pattern. So there's really no view as to what's going on. We will be keeping the exact same support and resistance as last video, since nothing has been broken. I mean, it's just been going in dojis for the last 3 weeks. RSI is completely sideways. the ADX is declining, and technically it's still bearish, but again, there's no ADX isn't rising, so we know that the market is not trending. Similarly, daily charts, I mean, this becomes even more obvious. Look how sideways this market is. I mean, we would need a break of at least here to even confirm that a bullish market is existing, or this support here at 163.7 to make sure that the bearish market is confirmed. And the ADX is just consistently declining. I mean, there's clearly no trend in the market right now. However, RSI is going upward, so there is, I guess, a kind of divergence, if you want to call it a bullish divergence. But we do need to see some price action to confirm. I mean, right now, volume is going down, price action is sideways, and no oscillator is giving any idea. We haven't had a trade for the last 2 weeks, and this week is the exact same, since we're just going to wait for the resistance cross of 186.88, and we'll sell when it falls below 163.7 with a target of 2%, trailing stop loss of 1%. So if the stop loss isn't hit and we are in a position, then we will just close on Friday. The weekly trend is sideways, monthly trend is down as of now. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.